Plug in the power cord and power on the machine. Click Prepare. Z-axis origin. Waiting for the machine homing. Click 30 millimeters Z-axis down to lower the platform to an operable position. Power off the machine, then unplug the power cord. Remove the back panel, unscrew 13 screws. Remove the baffle, unscrew 3 screws. Loosen the screws, then remove the 3 wires. Unplug the wires. Unscrew the screw, then remove the wire clip. Remove the hot bed wiring. Take off the platform plate. Move the hot-end to the waste chute. Unscrew the leveling nuts. Remove for screws. Remove the old hot bed kit. Installing the new hot bed kit. Place for screws. Screw in the 4 leveling nuts sequentially. Place the platform plate. Route the wiring through to the back of the machine. Install the wire clips. Insert the wiring and tighten the screws. Insert wires. Install the baffle. Install the back panel, tighten 13 screws. Plug in the power cord and power on the machine. Click Prepare, Z-axis origin, and wait for homing. Click 10 millimeters to raise the Z-axis. Click 1 millimeter again to lower the Z-axis. Click Off to unlock HO10 movement. Place an A for paper. Move the nozzle for leveling points sequentially. Rotate leveling nuts. Observe the distance between nozzle and platform until the paper shows distinct friction when pulled. Click Calibration, Auto Leveling, Cutter Calibration, Input Shaping. Start detecting. Waiting for the device self-test to complete.
Enter the Wiki official website to find more information.